We're gonna make some sweet and sour chicken. This is my lunch the whole entire week, so I gotta time everything by like 7. So let's get started. What in the actual hell? I did not realize I got that big of chicken breast. Like, look how much I've already cut off. It's a lot, and I still got a huge one left to go. But I'm gonna start putting some of this stuff away. Our next step is to dip chicken in cornstarch and then an egg. Oh boy. Alright, let's get to it. Cornstarch right here. Alright. I'm such an idiot. You're supposed to use a glass bowl. So, yeah. Cooking process is going alright. I'll see you at the very end after I clean this all up. After making a huge mess, let's get to cooking now. Oh yeah, the honey chicken has been cooked, and after that big mess that I made, it is all worth it because, oh my, look at that. That looks pretty good for my first time ever making that by myself. So if you enjoy videos like that, subscribe right now because I will be releasing a video of me cooking my weekly meal prep meal, and let's see how many times I can fail because today's was pretty dicey. I made a big mess, but I cleaned it up and it turned out really good this time, but next time it may not.